promised, today we are talking about how our pliés correspond to our Allégro work when we get out center. So Allégro is anything that is brisk or lively, and this is in reference to our jumps primarily. So we have Petit Allégro, so our fast little jumps, and we have our Grand Allégro, which is our large jumps. Our pliés are so important. I cannot stress this enough for our Allégro work. Our pliés push us off the ground so we can achieve height, but they're also how we can protect our joints when we land. So we use our demi-plie to leave the ground, and we use our demi-plie again as our shock absorber so that we don't wrench our knees or our hips or our ankles, things of that nature. I really want you to again focus on everything you work so hard at the bar for and making sure that you're keeping them even and controlled and working out those hips and making sure that that will set you up with a really strong foundation when you go to leave the floor. Again, we can jump in many different positions. Today is just an example, but we can also use that so we can press off for like our grand jetés, anything. The possibilities are endless. But so long as you practice really hard at the bar, you'll be good to go. So thank you for watching, and I will see you again tomorrow.